During his Vikravandi rally, he made an absolutely unprecedented offer in the context of Tamil Nadu politics. He stated publicly that the TVK is willing to share cabinet seats, actual, tangible ministerial power with any alliance partners who join their front.
To understand why that is an earthquake, you have to understand that historically, the major Dravidian parties have guarded cabinet seats like dragons guarding gold.
The DMK, for instance, has strictly refused power-sharing arrangements with its allies. Even when the DMK relies on a massive coalition of parties like the Congress or the VCK to win an election, they insist on running a single-party government.
The allies get a voice, but they do not get ministries.
So by offering cabinet seats, Vijay is directly baiting those exact DMK allies.